Question number 32. If the angles of elevation of the top of the candle from two coins distant a centimeter and b centimeter, where a is greater than b from its base and in the same straight line from it are 30 degree and 60 degree, then find the height of the candle. Here let AB is the candle, then there are two coins, the C and D. Okay, then in the question it is given that this is H meter. We have to take H meter. This height of the candle as H meter. And in the question it is given that the distances of these coins are A and B, where A is greater than B. That means shortest distance will be B and the greatest distance will be A. Right? This is H meter. This distance shortest will be B, greatest will be A. Then the angle of elevation is given as first coin 60, second is 30 degree. Right? This is the figure. When we draw this figure, mention right angle 2. Then we will get half mark. Half mark for this figure. It is a 3-mark question. Half mark for this figure. Next we have to consider these two right triangles, ABC and ABD. Then we will get the common factor H, because ABC and ABD has common factor H. So we have to find value of H. Okay. So for that, first we have to consider this triangle, right triangle ABC. Now this is the right triangle ABC. So here this is 60 degree. This is B meter. This is H meter. So how we will relate these two? About the 60 degree, this is opposite. This is adjacent. So we can take tan 60. Right? Tan 60 means opposite by adjacent, that is H by B. H meter by B meter, then we get H by B. Okay, then what is the value of tan 60? Tan 60 is root 3, right? Root 3 by 1 means root 3 itself. So root 3 equal H by B. Then I told you to find the common term H. So H equal what? B we can transpose to here, then B root 3. B root 3. H equal B root 3. This is equation 1. Okay. For getting this equation, we will get half mark. Then substituting this and all, half mark. 3 mark, half mark we got for the figure. Then half mark for this and half mark for this. Now 1.5 mark is over. Then similarly we have to consider the other right triangle, that is ABD. Right? This distance is given as A meter. This we took as H meter. Right? Then this is 30 degree angle. This is right angle. Okay. Then here we have to relate this H and A. Here also it is opposite by adjacent. So we can take trigonometric value tan. So tan 30 equal H by A. Then we know that what is the value of tan 30? That is 1 by root 3. So that is equal H by A. Then we have to find H. H equal what? Transpose this A to here. So A into 1 A by root 3. So we got H equal A by root 3. This is equation number 2. Okay, so this for this half mark, then for this half mark. This question we have to find the value of H. That means height of the candle we have to find. So when we equate this equation 1 and equation 2, then that value of H will be eliminated. So in this question it is not the method. Here what we will do? We have to multiply this 1 and 2. Equation 1 and 2 we have to multiply. Get H square equal B root 3 into A by root 3. H into H become H square. So H square equal B into A. That we can write as AB. Root 3 and root 3 will be cancelled. Then AB meter. Then what will be height? H equal root of AB meter. Okay. So height of the candle is H equal root AB meter. For this, you will get half mark. Okay, this is the mark distribution. You should write the answer in words. Now question number 34. It has an OR question too. It is a 5-mark question. The two palm trees are of equal heights and are standing opposite each other on either side of the river, which is 80 meter wide. That means width of the river is 80 meter. From a point O between them on the river, the angles of elevation of the top of the trees are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the height of the trees and the distances of the point O from the trees. That point is not exact middle point. They didn't mention that. So we can't take them as middle term. Okay. So first of all, we have to draw the required figure. 5-mark question. So there is 1 mark for the figure. So here this is the river. Then on the bank of this river, 2 palm trees with equal height, that are AB and CD. From a point on this river O, angle of elevation to the top of these 2 trees are 60 degree and 30 degree. So which is the shortest distance, that angle should be greater. Here the distance is more, so this angle is shorter. Okay, that you should understand. So here O is not given as the midpoint, so we have to mark like this. Clear? So when these two are right angles too. Then here this is the figure with correct measures. Then one more thing we have to mark. Here it is given that the total distance between the palm trees, that means width of the river is given as 80 meter. That means B to D, the distance is given as 80 meter. Then here we have to find height of the trees. So this is H, so this is also be H, because height of the palm trees are same. Then distance between this point and first palm tree, that we can mention as X. Then what will be this? If we took this as Y, this is equal 80 by 80 minus X, right? If this is X, then remaining will be what? 80 minus X. So when we draw the figure like this, then you will get 1 mark. You will get 1 mark for the figure because it is a 5-mark question. We have to consider these two right triangles separate. Okay. So first I have to consider triangle ABO. Right triangle ABO. Then this is given as 60 degree. Opposite side is H. Adjacent side is X. So what is the relation between H and X? That is tan 60. So in right triangle ABO, tan 60 equal H by X. Tan 60 equal H by X. Then what is the value of tan 60? Tan 60 is equal root 3. So H by X equal root 3. Then H equal root 3x. H equal root 3x. This will be first equation. Next we have to consider the next right triangle CDO. This is 30 degree. Opposite is H. Adjacent is 80 minus X. Okay. So in triangle CDO, tan 30 equal H by 80 minus X. Then tan 30 is equal what? 1 by root 3 equal H by 80 minus X. Then we have to transpose this. Then we will get 80 minus X equal H root 3. 80 minus X equal H root 3. 80 minus X by root 3. Okay. This is equation number 2. In this question we have to find height as well as this X and 80 minus X. Okay. So here we can equate this equation 1 and 2. Okay. Here H, here also H. So we can equate the RHS. That means from 1 and 2, equation 1 and 2, we get, what we will get? Root 3x equal 80 minus x by root 3. You can transpose this to here, then root 3x into root 3 equal 80 minus x. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3x. Then this x we can transpose to here. Then plus x equal 80. 4x equal 80. Then x equal what? 80 by 4, that is 20 meter. So x is 20 meter. That means distance between the palm tree AB and O, that is 20 meter. Then what is 80 minus x? Other palm tree's distance from OS. 80 minus x equal 80 minus 20, that is 60 meter. Then we have to find the value of h. We already got h equal, what we got actually, h equal root 3x, or we got h equal 80 minus x by root 3. We got these two values actually, Then we can substitute the value of x in this equation or this equation and find the value of h. So here I substitute that value in root 3x, that is equal root 3 into 20, that is 20 root 3. 20 root 3 meter. Then we can substitute the value of root 3. Okay. 73 equal 34.6 meter. So height of the palm trees is equal h equal 34.6 meter. Question number 34 or question. The angles of depression of top and bottom of a building are: building 50 meters high as observed from the top of a tower are 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower and also the horizontal distance between the building and the tower. This is also a 5-mark question. So 1 mark for the figure with the correct name and measures. This is the figure for the question. This AB is the tower. The CD is the building. Height of the building is given as 50 meter. Then we have to find height of the tower. So that we took as h meter. When we draw a line like this, then this is 50, so this is also be 50. So this remaining will be what? H minus 50. Then this is the horizontal distance between the building and the tower. That also we have to find, so we can give that as x. Then in the question it is given that the angle of elevation from the top of the tower to the top and bottom of the building are 30 degree and 60 degree. So we have to draw the angle of depression. Okay, angle of depression to the top and bottom of the building. For that we have to draw a parallel line to the horizontal line, because we have to draw the angle of depression. So from this to top, from this top of the tower to the top of the building, that angle of depression is 30 degree. This is 30 degree. So what we will get? This is also 30 degree by alternate interior angles, right? Then angle of depression from top of the tower to bottom of the building is given as 60 degree. Okay, that is we have to draw the angle of depression to the bottom of the building. This is 60 degree. So this angle is also 60 degree by alternate interior angles theorem. Right? Now we have right triangle here. So we can give the name to this point as P. Any name you can give. Okay. Now we got all the points name and we mark the measures. This is 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. So for this figure you will get 1 mark because it is a 5-mark question. So 1 mark for the figure with the correct name and measures. Okay, then we have to consider 2 right triangles. This APC and ABD. Okay, these 2 right triangles we have to consider and we have to find the common term x. Here x, this is also x meter. So from both we have to find the value of x, then equate them and find the unknown, then substitute and get the value of x. Okay, then first we have to consider right triangle APC. Here this is 30 degree, opposite is h minus 50, then adjacent is x. So when we relate them, then we will get a tan 30, right? So in this right triangle APC, tan 30 equal opposite by adjacent. Okay, then what is the value of tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 equal h minus 50 by x. Then which is the common term? X. So we can transpose this x to here. Then x equal h minus 50 into root 3. Right? We can transpose x to here, root 3 to here. Root 3 become numerator. Okay. Then x equal h minus 50 root 3. That is equal h root 3 minus 50 root 3. X equal h root 3 minus 50 root 3. This is equation number 1. Then what we have to consider? Another right triangle ABD. This is 60 degree. Opposite is h. Adjacent is x. Right? Then we can write in right triangle ABD, tan 60 equal opposite is h, adjacent is x, h by x. What is the value of tan 60? That is root 3. So h by x is root 3. So x equal h by root 3. This is equation number 2. This is root 3 equal h by x equal h by root 3. Consider this equation 1 and equation 2. Their LHS are same, so RHS should be equal. That means we can equate this RHS. Okay, h root 3 minus 50 root 3 equal h by root 3. H root 3 minus 50 root 3 equal h by root 3. Then we can transpose this root 3 to here. Then root 3 into h root 3 minus 50 root 3 equal h. Then root 3 into h is 3h. Root 3 into root 3, 3, then h. Minus 50 into root 3 is 50 into 3 equal h. Then 3h minus 150 equal h. Then 3h minus h equal 150. Transpose h to here and this minus 150 to right side. Then 2h equal 150 and h equal 150 by 2 is equal 75. Okay, h is equal 75. That means height of the tower we got as 75 meter. You should write the answer in words. Height of the tower is equal 75 meter. Then we have to find the distance between them. Okay, horizontal distance between the tower and the building. That is x. So we can equate the value of h in x equal h root 3 minus 50 root 3 or x equal h by root 3. In any equation we can substitute the value of h, then find the value of x. Okay, so here I substitute the value in this equation. So x equal h by root 3, that is equal 75 by root 3. Then to rationalize, we can rationalize the denominator. For that we have to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by root 3. Multiply both the numerator and denominator by root 3. Now 75 root 3 by root 3 into root 3 is 3. Then we can cut this 75 and 3. Then what we will get? 25 root 3. 25 root 3 we will get. Then we can substitute the value of root 3 as 1.73. We can substitute the value of root 3 as 1.73 equal 43.25 meter. That means the horizontal distance between the building and tower is 43.25. Height of the tower we got as 75 meter. H is equal 75 meter. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.